Siyempre, ang tatay ko. Wearing a jeans, of course. Ayun.
Wow!
Jess Soriano. Hindi na ako nakapagsalita. Nasyak ako. And now it's a man in the black. Richard Recto. Wearing a jeans again. Decorated by the love. With the stitches in the middle of it. Yes, and now, the last guy in line is Benjo, wearing stripe with a necklace on the jeans, using pretty ball.